Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Well, it's time to check the goals that I have set for myself for every month. Am I getting my goals or not? Oh well, it doesn't look like Grandma's made her 7,000 views every month yet. In May, I had 6,635 views. That's pretty good, but that's still not 7,000. My watch time is 277.3. Not great either, but not bad. I did pick up 116 new friends. That sounds great to me. Well, I wish I could do better, but Grandma's struggling as she always does. Now for April, since I didn't do April, I'm doing it this month with May. I had 5,600 views. I had 274.6 watch time, pretty good for the amount of views I had, and I had 62 new followers. That sounds great to me also. I'm struggling as always, like I keep saying, but I am moving up. Well, we'll have to wait and see what Grandma can do in June. Hopefully will be a better month. I also am giving a recap of what I've done for the last year. I have 75,087 views, and my watch time was 304. A few months back, I got it up to 3.5, but I have slipped back down. And I've picked up 1,300 new followers. It's a consistency I need to work on too, to make sure I can get my 7,000 views every month or better and bring those watch time hours up. They still are not high enough. And I feel like I have enough followers to make watch time. I just need to get my view time a little longer on each video. That is where my problem lies. My average view for my videos is about 2 minutes. And as you can see here, Mother's Day Tea Party, I got 4 minutes and 17 seconds. That was very good. Plus, I had 317 views. Excellent. I was really happy with that. The bee, butterfly, and sunflower, I had 2 minutes and 43 minutes with that. And I had 279 views. That was very good too. I am doing pretty good bringing up my views, what I used to be. My watch time is still in the 2 minutes, but here I have 2 videos at 2 minutes and 47 seconds, pretty close to 3 minutes. So that wasn't too bad. So I had 3 of them going up. Maybe in a few more months, maybe I can edge up a little few more watch minutes or seconds and get it up to 3 minutes. So some of them are working their way up. Here's one at 3 minutes and another one at 2 minutes and 44 seconds. And as you can see, I'm getting 200 to 189 views. Not bad either. So the views are moving up. It's my watch time that's still lacking. Now, my question to all of you is 2 to 3 minutes the average watch time on what videos get. I can't tell where I should be if I'm really doing bad, or is this the norm on video watching? I know when I'm watching someone's videos, I'm watching from the very beginning to the very end, because I know how hard it is and how much time and effort people have put into those videos. But maybe I am the exception of what people watch. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes is all they do watch. Let me know what's happening out there, for I know if I'm doing bad, or I'm doing the norm, or I just need to improve a little. As you can see, I am getting more viewership, and that part is making me a lot happier. Like I said, you see a lot of views at 300 and at 200s. And that makes me very, very happy. I have a lot of great followers that are there watching all the time. I really appreciate it too. I'm just not quite sure if I'm where I'm supposed to be, or I'm just really not doing well. Now I know it doesn't seem like I should be whining or complaining, because I am getting a lot of views for me. And I really do know that, and I appreciate it. I'm just wondering if my view time should be at 2 minutes, if that's the norm, or am I really doing bad still? I have really tried to do better on my videos and try to put a better quality video up, and they seem like I'm doing better than I was a year ago. And I'm sure there's still some more room for improvement. And I could probably do a lot of things better if I understood how YouTube worked better. But I do try to put a lot of different content up, as you can see by these videos, and a lot of them are doing pretty well. And the views are going up, as you see. But I still haven't noticed the watch time going up that much. And I've tried to improve my videos, and I'd like to know if you think they've been improving or not. And maybe I just need to join in on more challenges. Maybe that would help my viewership too. And maybe the watch time. I'm not quite sure what I need to do to make these videos better than what they are. Please give me some input in the comment section. What do you think my problem is, or just stop worrying about it, that I'm doing fine? I guess that's really what I want, some encouragement to tell me you're doing okay, stop worrying about it. Maybe what everyone's watch time is, 2 to 3 minutes per video. I realize a lot of people watch a lot of videos, and when you're watching a lot, you really can't watch too much. But I try to when I'm watching my videos. Try to watch most of them to the end, because I know how much time and effort you all put into your videos and all the work and time. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Please let me know what I could do to improve them. Love you very much. You mean the world to me, and your input is important too. I am not going to take it personal that I'm a bad creator. I just want to know how I could make my videos better, and I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye for now.